Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Happy Saturday. Welcome to a haul, y'all. So I'm not going to apologize for not having a video on Friday, but I will explain what happened. So you guys know that I have some health issues. I have two autoimmune diseases. One is myasthenia gravis, one is rheumatoid arthritis. I also have some hereditary back issues going on. And I've had this thing happen 3 times. And no one can explain what it is. I've had, I got tested for seizures. I've had a brain scan, but it starts with nausea. So I feel nauseated. Like I can't eat. I can't even think about eating. Can't think about food. And that lasts for 6 or 8 hours. And then along with that, I have muscle twitches. The very first time it happened, every single muscle from my eyebrows to my toes were twitching at the exact same time. It was so weird. Hold on, I'm gonna adjust my camera a little bit. And the next time it happened, something very similar. Well, on Wednesday it happened again. And this time it was just the muscles in my legs, but I was so nauseous. And I wanted to film that day, but it took every ounce of, it took all my spoons. I had 0 spoons left. Wednesday, Thursday, yesterday I felt a little bit better, but still not 100%. And today I'm feeling a bit better. So that's why there wasn't a video on Friday. And I had mentioned that I wasn't going to do a schedule. And then I said I was going to do a schedule. And right now I just think it's going to have to be up in the air. I'm going to shoot for Monday, Wednesday, at least at 12 noon. I'm going to try to shoot for all my videos going live at 12 noon Central Time. If you guys think a different time would be better, let me know. But until then, that's what we're going to stick with. So again, not going to apologize for, being in bad health, but I do hate not having a video go live. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I also started Humira, which has nothing to do with what happened on Wednesday, but I've been so tired since I started it. So if you're on Humira, let me know. I'm on the 20 milligram injection, I think. I've had one 2 weeks ago, so this coming Monday I'll take another one. But dang, it's wore me out. So anyway, now that we've got that out of the way, let's talk about a haul. So I mentioned in a couple of videos that I had one more order coming. I actually had 2. I placed a Hello Bluebird order, and then I placed an order for their new release. It hasn't shipped yet, but hopefully it'll ship in the next couple of days. So, but I have a purchase, and then I have some other stamps, and we'll talk about that when we get there. So from Hello Bluebird, I got this. Oh, I think this is called Oh Christmas Tree. And I went ahead and bought the coordinating dies. I did mention in my last video, haul video, that eventually I want to try my pick scan with either my Cameo or my portrait. But again, they're not hooked up because my new desk isn't here yet. So until then I have the dies, and I may just use the dies going forward. It's really going to depend on my budget. So anyway, I thought this was so cute because the little animals can decorate the tree. So there's squirrels and bunnies, there's a mouse, there's a couple of birds. We've got a deer, a bear, a fox. You got a cute little Christmas tree. There's presents, and I mean, this just makes, if you go to Hello Bluebird's site and you click on, and they show you samples. I think Simon Says Stamp has their samples too, but they don't do it with every stamp set. So really cute, really adorable. You guys know I am so ready for Christmas. Can't even stand it. And it's like, what is today? August 10th? August 11th? What is today? I have no idea. It's August the 8th. I told Rob yesterday, I was like, summer's almost over. I'm like, I'm so ready for fall. But as we were in the swimming pool. But anyway, so yeah, so this is one thing I got. The next thing I got was this garden party. So I also picked up the new garden party that has the birds and stuff, because I just love these birds. They are just so stinking cute. I love all of their illustrations for the most part. Their little one, their people aren't my favorite. They remind me of is it Birdie Brown for my favorite things. Maybe I'm thinking of somebody else, but they're not my favorite people. Like their little people aren't my favorite, but I still love all of their illustrations. So like I said, this is called Garden Party, and it says happy birthday, which I say all the time. You're totally awesome. And then thank you for being a friend. And again, you get 4 birds. You get a snail, get a couple of frogs, you get a couple of butterflies, and a couple of music notes. And I love, love, love this mushroom or toadstool, whatever you want to call it. Really, really cute. And again, I got the coordinating dies. This one I was so super excited about. This is called Pathway. And it's basically a scene that you can stamp. And then you can put your little characters or whatever on the pathway. And I just think this is absolutely genius. And I hope they have some more. Darcy, you guys know I like to buy Darcy stamps. They also have a couple of kind of background-ish stamps. They're not in stock at Simon Says Stamps, so I haven't had a chance to pick them up. But yeah, really, really cute. And I just really love it. And this and this are the main reasons why I placed an order. But I also wanted these dies. So you know, this is the one I was most excited about. This is the treehouse die. So it makes a treehouse. It's really, really cute. And then they had, oh, where did it go? Hello. Here it is. This is the Christmas add-on. Yeah, the Christmas add-on for the treehouse. So it has a wreath and some lights so you could decorate your little treehouse for Christmas. I believe this door opens. Don't quote me. But I cannot wait to play with these dies. I think it's going to be so... Look at the shutters for the window. Oh my gosh. And this looks like it's a pathway. These little rocks, like stones. I don't know. It's going to be so much fun. I cannot wait. Then I picked up the oak tree. Again, I love scene dies. I really, really do. I have several scene dies from Lawn Fawn that I need to break out. So they're just really, really cute. Really, really love it. So this is the oak tree. It has like the leaves, and then it has leaves that you can put at the bottom. So you guys know I bought that critter, like the squirrel set. How cute will it be to have a bunch of leaves on the ground and the squirrels jumping in it? I think that's going to be so sneaking cute. And then last but not least, I have these, I think this is the winter something. They don't have any names on these, but it's like an overlay die. So it has these 2 trees that you can put on a scene, and then it comes with everything for your snowman. You can cut out the eyes and the nose. It's got the buttons. You get the sticks. It's got a scarf, and then his top hat. So really, really cute. So like I said, I purchased their new release. Let me see if I can find it. Which I am so excited for. I wasn't going to get it at first, but then I was like, Misty, just get it. You know you want it. So the Frightful stamp was free. And that, you guys can see that. That's the one with the ghost. And then I got the Garden Party dies. And then I got the Ocean Wave horizontal die. Here are the Garden Party. Look at them. Oh, they're so cute. So it's got the birds. And one of them's playing like the fiddle or the violin, however you want to call it. And they're just dancing and singing. And it's just so cute. Love. And then I got, like I said, I got this die. This is the Ocean Waves horizontal die. And it's for slimline cards. And then I got this frame die, which is also for slimline. So it cuts out a frame, and then it cuts out 3, and then it comes with some mushrooms and stuff. Really cute. And then I got the Fairy Glade scene die. And so this is, you can see that there. This is a digital haul. I'm showing you some digital things. I got that one landscape as well, and that's all I got. And that was enough. That was enough. I was thinking about getting that ocean dies that was vertical, but I didn't care for the look of it, so I skipped it. So that's everything for Hello Bluebird for now. For now. So I'm sharing with you guys a new to me craft company. This is called Anthony's Papercraft, and he is in Ohio, and he reached out to me through my Facebook page and asked if he could send me a couple of stamps, and I was like, absolutely. And I said, would you mind including one for a giveaway? And he said, sure, because I want to share it with you guys too. So he sent me way more than what I thought he would. I asked for this one because I loved this one. This is called Cupcakes, I think. Yeah, and it's look at the detail on these cupcakes. I cannot wait to color these. The next video you guys will see will be a 1 stamp 3 ways using this one. Really cute. And then this one I love. You guys know I love Christmas. Look at that Santa and that reindeer. It's so cute. And this is like their inside. There's a holly, there's a gift, there's what is this? A gingerbread? My brain. Sorry, I lost my thumbs. You guys will just have to look at my naked thumbs. And then Santa, I mean, it's so stinking cute. Love, love, love. Then I got this one. This one is called Row Houses. Look at the detail on these houses. I love this so much. It's got some really great sentiments too. I didn't read you the sentiments on this one. It says, let there be cake, happy birthday, cupcake, make a wish, and you take the cake. And I love that font, and the bows are super cute as well. So the ones on this one are welcome home to the neighborhood. We moved, our new address is a new home, new adventure, from our house to yours. You're invited. This will be really cute with like a reindeer silhouette, Santa sleigh and reindeer silhouette above it, and you can color this, you can emboss this. I think it's really nice. It's a really nice one. He sent me this one. This one is called Halloween Circles. So it says, happy Halloween, boo, have a spectacular Halloween, trick or treat, happy Halloween. And then you get a Frankenstein, a Bride of Frankenstein. Well, I guess it's not Frankenstein's monster, whatever. A mummy, Dracula, and then a ghost. And then there is a Christmas one as well. And this one's called Christmas Circles. So there is a snowman, and it says season's greeting, date, time, place, RSV, you're invited, ho, ho, ho. Wishing you all the best at Christmas. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas to and from. I love this font right here. What was the name of this font? I bought this font back when you had to buy fonts like on a disc. When I taught school, I loved it. So there's a polar bear. Look at this reindeer. He looks so cute. There's this tree. There's a stocking, and then there's Santa. So yeah, so really fun. So for the giveaway, I have one of these to give away. So all you have to do is go to Anthony's website using the link down below, find a stamp that you love, come back and comment that down below. You also have to be subscribed to my channel, so make sure that you are subscribed and you leave your comment to enter. You have until August 22nd to subscribe and leave your comment. I will use a comment generator to pick somebody, and I will respond to your comment. So make sure you keep an eye out for that. I will also announce it in a video, and I'll try to put it on the community page. I'll give you guys 48 hours to respond, and if you don't respond, then I'll move on to the next person. So yeah, so I am so excited for all these new goodies. I told you guys that we're going to take a break. Did I say that in the last video? I don't remember. But we're going to take a little break from critters for a while, and we're going to do some I don't know, flowers or something. We're going to do a little something different. That's for sure. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate you. I hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend. This weekend's plans are to move furniture around again and hope and pray that. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for being patient. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. All of things. I love you, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.